Look for waterproof vinyl plank that guarantees full water protection and stable performance in wet bathroom conditions. Choose planks labeled 100% waterproof with a solid waterproof core, such as stone plastic composite or waterproof vinyl composite to prevent swelling and water migration. Specify a wear layer of at least 12 to 20 mil for residential bathrooms to resist scratches and daily wear, and consider thicker wear layers for high traffic or rental bathrooms. Confirm the product has attached underlayment or include a separate waterproof underlayment to improve sound control and comfort while maintaining a moisture barrier to the subfloor. Check for antimicrobial or mold-resistant surface treatments and edge seals that inhibit mold growth in seams and around fixtures. Verify the slip resistance rating, looking for textured surfaces and a coefficient of friction appropriate for wet areas to reduce fall risk. Ensure compatibility with common bathroom subfloors and radiant heating if planned, and request installation guidelines for tight spaces around tubs, showers, and toilets to maintain waterproof seams. The most common mistakes are assuming water-resistant equals waterproof, which leads to edge swelling and failure. Fix this by insisting on a 100% waterproof core and manufacturer guidance for wet areas. Another issue is inadequate seam treatment or poor perimeter sealing, which allows water intrusion. Mitigate this by using recommended sealants at transitions, around fixtures, and by following installation details for floating versus glued systems. The third problem is choosing too thin a wear layer or ignoring slip resistance, resulting in premature surface wear and unsafe floors. Avoid this by selecting at least a 12 mil wear layer, textured finishes for grip, and confirming the product is rated for bathroom use. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting both sides through listings and project leads. We also host an active discussion community on the site where homeowners and contractors share real-world advice, installation tips, and product experiences.